All right, so we are here at the K1 building, and dude, it's happening.
It's happening, isn't it?
Yeah, so let's talk about what we're seeing in front of us here.
So this is where the old gym was. It was the only area that we had to take out because it was in just so disrepair. So this is gonna be all outdoor working space and courtyard. So what you're seeing now is we're gonna do a courtyard. There'll be events out here, concerts, you name it, we'll be able to do it. And then day to day, they'll be able to work in here. We'll have some workstations, outside workstations.
All right, so we're checking out the demo here, but let's get a little more details. How do you actually work at Hatch once it's all ready?
Well, we will have a co-working membership where you will be able to come in, you'll be able to access all of our common areas. And so we will have, as you see, we're making progress. And then we'll have private office spaces too. And so we'll have 22 private offices, enough room for 100 co-workers. Day in, day out, you should see 150 to 200 people come through this building a day. What we're walking through now is going to be research lab space. Below the main structure is a basement, if you would. This is where we're gonna do our bio labs, all of our design labs and stuff.
Okay.
So you'll be, if you're having a great idea, you'll be able to flesh it out in this area. So this is the entrance. You'll come through here. This will be the main entrance. This will be where everyone comes through. Heading in. When you walk in, this is going to be the content creation studio right here. It'll be all open. You'll see everything going on in the content. We'll be doing video production, music production, anything you need for your business. All open space. To the left will be co-working space. You'll be able to co-work in here, hang out, do all of the stuff that you need to do for your business. This wing will be all the private offices. So if a company wants their own space, they can have it right here. And through this wing, there's 22 offices all the way through. We have pictures of people pulling up to this school in horse and buggy. And so we're gonna pay homage to that and pay homage to everything that the school was and is going to be. So it's kind of cool that we're taking an educational facility and turning it into a future tech hub. When you go that way, that's going to be the meeting rooms and meeting spaces. Okay. We will have a meeting space in here that will accommodate 200 people. There's not a meeting facility other than the Grand Hotel that can accommodate as many people as we do. We already have bookings in that space now.
Well, there we have it. The K1 building transforming Hatch Fairhope, bringing some innovation opportunity here. So you'll be able to have business owners, research, all that happening right here in Fairhope, Alabama. We're gonna keep touring the progress as we move forward, but for today, wow, it's incredible to see that transformation already in the first couple of weeks.